There are many products available to choose best ignition coils, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best ignition coils from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. ENA set of 8 curved boot ignition coil pack compatible with Ford Lincoln Mercury 4.6L 5.4L V8 replacement. Ignition coil packs are manufactured for original outfit and relief operations. Every element either matches or improves on the OE design to ensure fast and easy installation with superior performance and trustability. Designed and manufactured to operate reliably under all operating conditions and throughout the entire machine speed range for peak machine performance. Products are designed to meet or exceed OE specifications in form, fit and function. Number 2. MAS Ignition Coil DG508 and Motorcraft Spark Plug SP479. Compatible with Ford 4.6L 5.4L V8 DG457, DG472, DG491. All of the ignition coils are built to achieve or exceed OE specifications, subject to strict quality control testing, offer the best possible performance and dependability. Replaces REF number DG508. MAS ignition coils are easy to install. It use the high-grade materials. Each coil is designed for specific application, low emissions, high energy output. High heat resistant compound for our ignition coil on plug boot to withstanding heat stress for longer durability. Number 3. High Performance Ignition Coil 8-pack upgrade. 15% more energy for Ford F-150, F-250, F-354.6L 5.4L V8. The High Performance Ignition Coil is a great choice for those who want to get the most out of their engine. It can help the engine start quickly and run smoothly. To improve engine performance, it is important to have a good ignition coil. The High Performance Ignition Coil is designed to produce strong sparks. OE standard performance and durability. TS 16949 certified manufacturer. It has 15% more energy than OE coils. Number 4. Motorcraft Spark Plugs SP493 AGS F32 PM Platinum and MAS Ignition Coils. Compatible with Ford Mazda Tribute Mercury. 100% compatible with OEM parts. Meets original equipment manufacturer (OEM) standards. Commonly referred to as a igniter. Improves overall performance with high-performance polymer housing to resist moisture. It features a platinum tip that helps to improve durability and prevent fouling. The MAS Ignition Coil is designed to provide superior spark and performance. It is a direct fit replacement for your vehicle's original coil. Number 5. Set of 8 ignition coil pack for Ford F-150, F-250 Explorer Lincoln Mercury. Coil pack structured with high-quality isolating epoxy copper wires, imported from Germany. Stainless steel spring with ferrite core 550 degrees and 40,000 V silicone boot. Specialized steel core with optimized windings. High vibration shock resistant housing. More durable and lasting. Brand new ignition coil. Improve power, reduce misfire, improve fuel economy. Directly replace beyond 100,000 miles or 10 years old stock coils. DG508 Ignition Coil ENAIC 1,115,108 is curved boot. The straight boots is DG511 coils. Please double check when you purchase. Professional coils with professional technical support.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.